everyone. I hope you are doing great. So today's topic will be about ICT. So we have ICT. So what do we mean by ICT? ICT as a definition stands for Information of Communication Technology. And as you see here, ICT has become an important part of education, especially in ASL classes. I mean here, teaching English as a second language, or AFL classes, teaching English as a foreign language. So it's very important to integrate ICT in these classes. And here, it's very important for teachers to learn how to use ICT properly because of several reasons that I'm going to talk about later. And ICT, there are different types. So ICT includes, number one, hardware, number two, software, and number three, networks or online resources. And again, I'm going to talk in detail about what do we mean by hardware and what are the examples of software and networks. Great. So look here. Number two, what are the types of ICT? So basically, there are three major types. Number one, as I said earlier, hardware. Examples of the hardware is computers, tablets, and interactive whiteboards. So when teachers use computers, tablets, interactive whiteboards, it's a kind of a combination between traditional content and digital content. And the experience here is very important. So these, types create an engaging and interactive experience for learners, which means that learners are engaged. And there is communication, there is interaction, thanks to the use of computers in our classes, tablets, and interactive whiteboards. It's number one. Number two, software. And here I'm going to give you some examples. By the way, there are several examples, but I'm going to focus only on three. There is Google Translate, Zoom, and Quizlet. Google Translate is a platform or is a software where students can translate any language they would like. If they are Moroccan students, they can translate from Arabic to English. If they are French, from French language to English language. So it's really important for students to learn more, especially through translation. Number two is Zoom. So basically, Zoom is a platform, it's a video conferencing where students and teachers meet, especially for distance learning. Students who are very far from their schools, they can meet on Zoom and they can learn. And Quizlet is another software, another platform where teachers and students meet and they share. They share what? Basically, they share flashcards with quizzes. And the experience here is personalized and adapted. What do I mean by personalized? I mean, these softwares, help the teachers or help teachers to adapt the lessons so they can suit the different learning styles, different learning needs, especially if you are teaching mixed ability classes. So here the result, the experience is personalized. This means every person will learn, either a high achiever or a low achiever. Now, number three, online resources or networks, And here I'm going to share again three very interesting examples: Kahoot, Bamboozle, and Class Dojo. So Kahoot is one of the online games that creates motivation, engagement, and also it helps the 21st century skills such as communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. And here it's very interesting for teaching vocab, grammar, and all other lessons. Bamboozle is another online platform, but basically for teaching grammar and teaching vocab, And Class Dojo is one of the best platforms, especially for classroom management. And here the teacher can create an online classroom with names of the students, and he can give them feedback about their performance in class, And again, the result, the experience. Kahoot and Bamboozle create an enjoyable learning environment, as well as the Class Dojo platform. And of course, it's about real-world language. What do I mean by real-world language? It means they can learn outside the classroom. They can play games, but behind playing games, there is learning. So as you see that today ICT is very important. We as teachers, we have to integrate ICT in our EFL or ESL, classes for several reasons. So the next video I'm going to talk about why teachers should incorporate ICT. Thank you.